Hey guys, smart. First one of the year for me. The size of that sucker. Oh yeah. That's what I've been waiting on. Looks like he's been up for a while. Alright, hope there's more. I don't see any more. Kinda weird. But hopefully I'll be back. Hey guys, Mark here. Back with my finds. There's only 12. Nice white ones. Not bad for an hour. There's that first one. Happy hunting, everybody.